change the order of integration for the given integral 0 to a integral 0 to 2 root of ax x square dy dx and evaluate it. So the question is, first you change the order of the integration and then evaluate it. Okay, so here the given integral is integral 0 to a and integral 0 to 2 root of ax x square dy dx. So this is given integral. From the given integral, first I want to find out the given limit. So first you find out the given limit. So what is given limit? Identify the x limit and y limit. You see, in this integral having the limit variable x. So if the limit having x, then it is limit for y. So y limit is 0 to 2 root of ax. Then obviously it is limit for x. So 0 to a. That means the limit having the variable x, so that it is limit for y. Then obviously it is limit for x. So this is given limit. From the given limit, I am going to find out the diagram. Here y is equal to 2 root of ax. So to identify the equation y is equal to 2 root of ax, squaring on both sides, we will get y square equal to 4ax. That means it represents the parabola right hand side open. So from the given limit, we find out this is the diagram, parabola right hand side open. Okay, so this is right hand side open. Y square is equal to 4ax, and this in x is equal to a. So x is equal to a is, this is x equal to a. And now for the given limit, y limit is variable. Therefore y limit variable means we want to draw the vertical strip. So the vertical strip here, the strip starts from 0. That means should start from axis, because y limit start from 0. Therefore the vertical strip should start from the axis. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, so y is the variable limit, so you have to draw the vertical strip. The vertical strip must start from the axis, because here start from 0. So that this is the vertical strip. For the given limit, this is the diagram. By the change of order of integration, we have to change this strip. So this vertical strip I want to change into horizontal strip. So that I am going to change into horizontal strip. So after changing this horizontal strip, I am going to find out the limit. So this is given limit. Next I am going to find out the change of limit for the change of strip. So change of limit. Change of limit. So for the change of limit, I am going to find out the x limit, y limit. But I am going to find out this limit for the horizontal strip. So horizontal strip means x limit should be variable, y limit is constant. For that I want to find out the point of intersection here. Here x is equal to a, so that this is a. When you substitute x equal to a here, 4a square. So y square equal to 4a square means y is equal to 2a. So that here a comma 2a. So this is the point of intersection. Okay, so now for this horizontal strip I am going to find out the limit, x limit and y limit. X limit must be variable because we draw horizontal strip. So from the horizontal strip it is start from the parabola. So from the parabola, what is x? X is equal to y square by 4a. Y square by 4a. To this horizontal strip end with the x equal to a. So x equal to a. So after obtaining the x limit variable, then y limit obviously constant. So y limit is 0 to 2a. So 0 to 2a. So this is the change of limit. For this change of limit, I am going to find out the integral. Okay. So now this is the given integral. This given integral we have changed into limit. So for this given integral, I am going to use this limit. Okay, so integral, the given integral is x square dy dx, but here x square, the limit is, x limit is variable, y limit constant. X limit is y square by 4a. So y square by 4a to a, and here 0 to 2a. So here first integral with respect to x, so that dx dy. So this is the change of order of the integral. Now I am going to evaluate this. So the first integral is with respect to x, so that integral 0 to 2a, integration of x square is x cube by 3, whose limit is y square by 4a to a, and remaining integral with respect to y. Okay, so now integral 0 to 2a, substituting the upper limit here, so a cube by 3 minus, substituting here, y square by 4a the whole cube by 3 into dy. Okay, now I am going to simplify. So the simplification part, integral 0 to 2a, this is a cube by 3 minus, substituting here, y square power 3. What is y square power 3? Y square into y square into y square. So y power 6. So this is y power 6 divided by 4 cube into a cube divided by 3 into dy. Okay, so now integral 0 to 2a, a cube by 3 minus y power 6 by, this term 3 by 1, take into numerator, 3 by 1 is 1 by 3, so that 3 into 4 cube a cube into dy. So now I am going to integrate with respect to y. So a cube by 3 into y minus y power 7 divided by 7 3s are 21 into 4 cube into a cube. So integration over, the limit is 0 to 2a. So now I am going to substitute the limit. Substitute the limit here, a cube by 3 into 2a minus 2a the whole power 7 by 21 into 4 cube into a cube. So I am going to simplify now. What is the simplification? This is 2a power 4 by 3 minus, this is what? 2 power 7. So this is 2 power 7 into a power 7 divided by 21 into, this is 4 cube. 4 cube is, 4 can be written as 2 square. 2 square means 2 power 6. So this is 2 power 6 into a cube. Why it is 2 power 6 means we can cancel this numerator 2. So further you will be getting 2a power 4 by 3 minus, cancel this. So this is also 2. This is a cube, a power 7, so 2a power 4 divided by 21. So finally you can take the LCM 21. 21 is LCM, and then this is 7 3s are 21, so 14 a power 4 minus 2a power 4. So here 14 minus 2 is 12. So 12 a power 4 by 21. So finally you can simplify by taking 3. So 4 a cube by 7. So the answer is 4 a cube by 7. So this is 4 a power 4 by 7. So this is the answer of the problem.